Hi all, welcome to our Stroll with HMTV channel. This is part 3 of our Florida vacation trip series. And in this video, we are going to tour a hotel which is Holiday Inn in Tampa. We are in the entrance of the Holiday Inn.
I just came on the flight. We're on Holiday in Florida. This is the best thing. There's a roller coaster, a swimming pool, and look at our window. I'll show you later. Don't just get so excited. There's a bathroom here. There's a cool sink. And there's soap and lotion. Oh, this is kind of cool, like ice.
Some towels, makeup removers,
Whoa.
and then some tissues. And we have a shower here. And so they have here some shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. Here we have some hair dryer and some extra tissues.
A large size mirror and my mask over here. It's a shelf here. These are like coffees and cups and a coffee maker.
Okay, and then we have here a microwave,
Yeah,
and then we have a small fridge.
that's a really tiny fridge. There. Oh, this is really interesting. I didn't see this before.
Okay, so we are gonna put some stuff in.
Yes.
Daddy's gonna go for shopping.
Yeah, this is a closet. Ooh.
So there is a ironing table.
I guess there's a.
Okay,
What is on the bottom?
so that is a safe. You can actually keep important things inside.
Like jams, of course. And guys, the perfect place to have a trampoline. I'm gonna climb this. I can't climb. This is so hard to climb a big bed. Okay, let's jump. Wait, I'm jumping on a bed. I was about to show this house. And a picture here. Let's jump on the next bed. I'm nervous to jump over there.
Hi, Marvin.
Hi.
He want to jump too.
Yeah, he wants to jump. I didn't climb, luckily. Do you know what I'm gonna do? Jump on another bed. One. I need two. 1, 2, 3. I'm not sure. I did it! I did it! I jumped over the river. What? This is not a river? This is so cozy. This is a blanket. Ooh.
Okay, so here we have an alarm and then a phone. Put that back. I think your brother did it.
I'm gonna call someone. 5, 2, 3, 7, 8.
And then they have some charging USBs and things. Okay, here some hanging place and a bench to keep our stuff. And we have a TV and then a lot of drawers beneath. And then we have a table to work and a night lamp too. Okay, wanna on?
Oh.
So it's a nice table where Daddy can work actually.
And this is the AC machine. And it's really cool. It's stuck to the wall.
Yeah.
I thought they'll be up in the
And there is a relaxing chair.
And a lamp. It's a really big lamp. I didn't see a big lamp.
Okay, turn it on. Let's peek out of the window. We see a swimming pool right there. I hope you enjoyed our hotel tour. I'll catch you guys later.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.